Hi friend, it's Earl. Let's take a calm moment together.
Hey, hey, what do we say? Kind words only every day. Clap it once, clap it twice. We use words that sound real nice. When I'm talking to a friend, kind words help the fun not end. No mean words, we choose what's right. Kind words make our day feel bright. Kind words only, that's our way. Nice and kind in what we say. Lift friends up, don't push down. Kind words turn it all around. You can play and come with me. Great job, and you're kind to me. Little words can shine so bright, make someone's whole day feel right. Can you say something kind?